In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner of your keyboard. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and click on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Following that, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!